Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be taking a look at my desk setup. First and foremost, the powerhouse of my setup, and that's my aging Windows laptop. It's running a Core i5 4200U with 12 gigs of RAM and a now upgraded 512 gigabyte SSD. Definitely in need of an upgrade, but it's what I'm editing all my videos on currently, and it's still kicking. Now, it has pretty terrible build quality and a low resolution display, which is why I opted to invest in a good color accurate monitor, which is the Dell UltraSharp 2417H. Now, a newer model of this is out, the U2419H. It seems that Dell upgrades these on a 2-year basis, so I'm expecting a newer model of this to come out in 2021. Now, the monitor is wall mounted and the laptop is sitting on a foldable Ring Fusion stand. One of my favorite stands. Allows more air to get underneath the laptop, keeps it a lot cooler, and it's not as bulky as some of the other stands that you can find. For sound, I'm using the Logitech Z207 speakers. Now, these are great because they have built-in Bluetooth, and I can connect my phone to them should I need to listen to music. Now, it can't be a YouTube setup video without some sort of fake plant, and for that I have this one from IKEA, pretty much the standard for all the YouTube creators out there. I've seen this in countless number of videos, and just for a personal touch, I have a Lara Croft Funko Pop. Now, I didn't want to go crazy with the RGB lighting, but I did want some. So I opted for this Light lamp that has an RGB base, and the lamp itself has 3 brightness settings. And the base doesn't cycle through the colors as you might expect. You can just set it to one color, and it kind of sits there, which is fine for my needs. I just need ambient light. It looks pretty good in my opinion. For my mouse, I wanted something wireless, and I thought the best mouse I could get would be the Logitech MX Master 2S. I'm probably going to rock this for a while. It's working great so far. That's sitting on a Razer mouse pad. I wanted something thin, portable, light that I could take around with me. The whole setup sitting on an IKEA Linmon tabletop. This is the smallest variant, I believe, 100 centimeters by 60 centimeters, and I'm using a Dill's legs. In order to charge my phone and my Apple Watch, I have this dock that I bought off of Amazon. Works just fine. I can dock my iPhone when I'm working. I can see notifications come in. That pretty much sums up my setup. I hope you enjoyed, and as you noticed, I do like to keep my setup relatively simple and I guess minimalist. Also want to add, I understand the current state of the world isn't the best, and I hope all you guys are staying indoors, self-isolating, social distancing, and stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.